Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can generate AI images using Bing. So many of you already know, I guess, Bing can create AI images, and that too on just Chrome browser only. On your laptop, on the browser, you can just browse through this URL, bing.com/create, and then you just need to browse through that. This screen you will see. First thing you need to do is join and create. Join in the sense it will ask you to sign in with your already existing Microsoft account. So yeah, if you already have a Microsoft email and password, that is well and good. If you don't know, you can create one. I already did a video on that, how to create this Microsoft email account. If you don't know that, you can search for the description below. I'll place the video there, and I'll use different sign-in options for this video. What I'll do is I have a security key on my this laptop. So with that security key, I'll just log in. Okay. If you have a security pin, something like this, you can join in this way also. Yeah, see here, I have just logged in or signed in with my Microsoft account, and this is the home page or the starting page to create Bing images using AI. So here you can give some prompt like generate AI image with monkey and lion, something like, just click on this create and wait for the result what it creates. Yeah, so it is saying like your image is being created by AI. So yes, let's see here. It has given four options, I guess, four options. So likewise, generate a with different fonts prompts. You can ask this Bing image creation tool, AI tool, to create images. I just gave another prompt like create something with beautiful nature or something like that. So let us see. Yeah, this is the result. So this is how you can use Bing image creation tool right from your browser without downloading or anything. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like and share it to others. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.